Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Foodstorian, the place where we unravel the rich tapestry of culinary history. Today, we're diving deep into the flavorsome world of medieval Islamic Caliphate and a dish that has stood the test of time: Al-Baghdadi chicken. Have you ever wondered how a simple chicken stew could encapsulate centuries of history and culture? Well, today we're about to embark on a fascinating journey through time as we explore the captivating evolution of Al-Baghdadi chicken. Subscribe now to discover the tantalizing secrets and lesser-known facts about this aromatic dish. To truly appreciate Al-Baghdadi chicken, we must first understand the world in which it was born. Picture this: a vast empire, a beacon of knowledge, and a melting pot of cultures. Welcome to the Medieval Islamic Caliphate. The Islamic Caliphate, an extraordinary empire spanning from the Iberian Peninsula to Central Asia, was more than just a political entity. It was a cultural and intellectual powerhouse. As we journey through its history, we encounter the reigns of visionary leaders, the Abbasids, the Umayyads, and more, each leaving an indelible mark on the empire's culinary tapestry. In the bustling markets of Baghdad, Cordoba, and beyond, spices, herbs, and culinary knowledge were traded alongside goods, fostering a dynamic food culture that would later give birth to iconic dishes like Al-Baghdadi chicken. Now, let's zoom in on the star of our show, Al-Baghdadi chicken. Imagine a dish that marries the flavors of saffron, cinnamon, and cardamom in a tantalizing chicken stew. But how did this culinary masterpiece come to be? Legend has it that Al-Baghdadi chicken was more than a meal. It was a culinary expression of the empire's grandeur. The recipe, meticulously perfected in the kitchens of the caliphs, saw the infusion of spices like saffron, a prized commodity that not only added a golden hue to the dish, but also symbolized the wealth and opulence of the Islamic Caliphate. As we trace its evolution, we uncover anecdotes of renowned chefs experimenting with flavors, creating a dish that would become a symbol of sophistication. Al-Baghdadi chicken wasn't just a recipe, it was an embodiment of the empire's diverse cultural influences. Food, the universal language that transcends time and borders. In the medieval Islamic Caliphate, the culinary landscape was a true reflection of diversity, from the lavish feasts of the royalty to the simple yet hearty meals of the commoners. Imagine the royal courts where sumptuous banquets showcased the empire's culinary prowess. Al-Baghdadi chicken, with its exotic blend of spices, took center stage, offering a sensory experience fit for royalty. Meanwhile, in the bustling markets and humble kitchens of everyday life, the commoners crafted dishes from locally sourced ingredients, creating a gastronomic symphony that resonated with the spirit of the people. As we explore the dichotomy of these culinary worlds, we uncover the shared love for spices, the ingenious use of local produce, and the unifying power of food that transcended social divides. As we explore the evolution of Al-Baghdadi chicken, we're not just uncovering a recipe, we're opening a culinary time capsule. This dish is a living testament to the crossroads of history, where flavors converged to create something truly extraordinary. Now let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the kitchen. I've unearthed some ancient recipes for Al-Baghdadi chicken that will transport you back in time. From the bustling markets of the Caliphate to your modern kitchen, get ready for a culinary adventure. In our journey through the ages, we discover handwritten manuscripts, culinary treatises, and accounts from travelers who marveled at the exquisite flavors of Al-Baghdadi chicken. These recipes, passed down through generations, offer us a glimpse into the kitchens of the past, connecting us with the skilled hands and discerning palates that shape this iconic dish. And there you have it, folks, the mesmerizing journey of Al-Baghdadi chicken, from the heart of the medieval Islamic Caliphate to your plate today. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into history and flavors. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more culinary explorations, and let me know in the comments which historical dish you'd like us to uncover next. Until then, happy cooking and bon appetit!